this video, I'm going to show you how to find an asset in Focal Lite. The first way is to find it by location. The second way is to find it by a unique identifier, so its name or asset number, etc. So I'll show you to find it by location first. So here we go. We can click on the map. We have two sites here. There could be many, many more, but in this instance, there's just two. So I will click on this site because I know the asset is here. I know that the asset is in this building here. Here's information linked with that building. I now click on the scan to go inside the scan of the building. And I happen to know that the asset we're looking for, which is this safety shower, is in the corner here. I can walk up to it and click on that, and that shows me the asset information. And if I click that pop out, there we have all the information associated with that shower. We have the manufacturer, asset number, serial number, etc. So that's the first way to find an asset, is to find it geographically. If you don't know where it is, but you know what it's called or what the asset number is, we can do it the other way around. So we can click on Focal Lite. Let's go back to home. So we don't know where it is, so we can't use this. We can click on here, and it will search all the assets across the portfolio. Now this is just a demo, so as you see here, there's only a few. But if this was a very long list, we probably wouldn't see this for some time through scrolling. But if we start typing, we know the asset name, asset number rather, so we can click SF, and there it is, it starts to appear. We may not know that, but we might know the manufacturer and want to just list the parts that are supplied by a particular manufacturer. We can type that, and there it is. So we now have the asset. We click on the asset, and this is all the information we saw a minute ago. Condition, anything can be put into here, really, sort of associated documentation. It's really kind of very customizable, so whatever you like to put in there is possible. Now we need to find out where this geographically is. So we click on the scan, and it will take us directly to the asset. And there it is. And that's it, back to that asset page. Thank you for watching.